Baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true.
Hi everybody, we just finished brunch at Broad Cafe. Show them Broad. And now where are we going, Sha?
We are going to Darling for donuts.
Donuts.
Then at 3 PM we're gonna have a massage that we booked.
And oh yeah.
In other words, I love you. Da, 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 da.
She's gonna keep us black.
No, yeah, she cover one.
This time she film already, This is the white chocolate speculoos.
This is just Euros.
And this is the milk choco Oreo. Why like not zoom in like that? I mean focused.
We are trying to explore the area before our massage at 3 o'clock. How's your experience so far in Bali?
Good. I love the white one.
So your favorite is the bike, right?
Yeah.
Done with the massage and it was so good. I feel so relaxed and I fell asleep halfway through.
It was a 60-minute massage and it was very good. And the place was very nice as well. Look.
How's the massage at home?
So now we're heading to the beach. I think it's called Beach Hotel or somewhere there. I'm also not very sure according to Carissa Quack. So yeah. So let's go there soon and we'll see you there.
So now we are at Legion Beach. So look at the sunset. And behind us we also have the moon. Look at it.